What is this box on the table? It says, "Dear Jimmy, I'm sorry that I have to tell you this, but you have been drafted to the United States Marines Corporation." Holy crap, man. I've got to fight in the army. Oh no, man. Oh. I've got to poop. This gosh dang toilet won't flush. I wonder who that could be.
Jimmy Rodriguez?
Yes?
Come with me. You're going to Camp Terrence.
Why are you here? You're the guy at the Xbox store.
Oh, I don't know. It's just camp. You don't really go to war.
You know, some people think that I'm black.
Really? I thought that you was a woman at first.
I wish. Then Obama wouldn't have sent me here. Thank goodness I'm home. I hated camp. I'm going to bed now.